So what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Handy Danny, and it's been a minute, man. I've inquired so many different tools. Boy, I got a lot to show you guys, and I've been in the market of getting a GoPro, another GoPro, the Hero 9 or the Hero 8. Honestly, I just fell off the wagon, so I apologize. But I want to do this review with you guys. Right now, we're just going to do the unboxing of the Milwaukee Chainsaw. The line of work that I'm in, I get to cut down some tree limbs every once in a while. And I've been doing it with my Sawzall. I might throw a picture in here of me cutting down a whole entire tree with my Sawzall. But, you know, it's been a struggle, man. You got a booklet here. Who needs that? And I'm inside here. And you know what? I scan these things all the time and try to win, but I've never won anything. I don't know if it's real or not. So, Milwaukee, if you're watching, it's you know, truly announcing winners. Let me set this down real fast. Okay, I canceled my whole entire video, man. Trying to get that way out the box. But I'm back. Anywho, well, you know, here it is right here. Got a little bit of weight to it. I like the weight, and you know, I'm not going to get that traditional vroom vroom treadmill sound. However, you know, I'm sure it will be nice and quiet. Cut down some trees in the quietness there, and we'll see how it goes, man. Must fill chainsaw in oil. Okay, let's read that again. Must fill with bar and chain oil before use. When filled, held trigger for 30 seconds before cutting. Okay, so I was gonna start it up for you guys, but I'm not gonna start it up. My guard looks a little crooked there. I don't know why, but looks like I have to fill it up with oil first. So I have to find out what type of oil that I need for it for sure. And I have some oil, but I'm not sure exactly what type of oil until I read the booklet. Thank God I didn't throw that away. So there it is right there. That's the unboxing. Stay tuned for a video of me actually cutting down some trees. I already have a tree in mind that I'm going to cut. So, but yeah, got a little bit of weight to it, man. Looks pretty good, and can't wait to use it. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.